This is the center line for the columns. As you can see, it is laid out well. We're about to start planting the columns. This is one column thick, 3 meters by 3.5 by 8 feet deep. Here's another one. It's also well aligned in the center, as you can see right there. So we're going to see the next one. This is pit number 3. Pit number 3. It's also laid out well, as you can see. This is it. Okay. This is the column excavation for the Dorchester luxury condos in Ntinda. Construction is being implemented by Landsend Homes Limited. Is column excavation, as you can see, very well done. Okay, we come up here, you can see how they are lined up well. Okay, and from there, come over here. This is column number 5, same size, same depth. Ready. Come over here. Column number 6 in progress. Sebo buza ko kubantu. Okay, he's deep in the ground. The wall is 8 feet tall. Man is probably 5'5", maybe 5'4". Almost half his height. This is pit number 7. Right? Then here we have pit number 8 and 9. This is a double pit, so it is 6.5 meters long and 3.5 meters wide, 8 feet deep. So our human team over here will come and perfect the bottoms here, dig them out, straighten them out so that it's a good rectangle. But this is the depth of it so far. Come at the edge, give you a zoomed out view of it. Like that, okay? So we're going to walk back and then we'll look at the lines, make sure they're lined up well, so that you can appreciate the accuracy, the attention to detail that is going into this work, okay? Of course, if you want a project such as this or a similar one done for you, you can contact us at Landsend Homes Limited. We help Ugandans in the diaspora build and manage their real estate projects in Uganda. So if you're interested in this, give us a call, visit our YouTube channel, and we'll be able to assist you as well. Okay? So we have the steel members over here, steel work is going on, steel bending. We have the T20s, we have the T12s, you see. We have bars here. Okay. We have the T16s. Okay. We're ready to go. Everything cut, laid out. Okay. These are the 20s over here. Ben, you know Jeja 20? Jeja 20? Okay. So we have the T20s here. These are the ones going in the columns. I'll give you a quick pic so you can see it right here. See? 20. Pramuk T20. Okay. Guaranteed strength, guaranteed perfection. So this is the footings being designed, the columns. So these are the footings we're going to use. Like we mentioned, there are 3.3 and 3 meters wide and width. Let me give you a zoomed out view so you can see, or a sky view so you can see it. There you go. Okay. These are the bases. Oinaoteepwawo eyokumpi. Okay. So I wanted to measure this one here for you so you can see how well it is. So come up here, put it there, bring our tape up here, there, 2.9. Okay. So you have concrete cover on each side, so it's not going to be exactly 3 meters because it has to have concrete cover across the whole on all sides. Okay, so that's why you have it there. So the hole that we dug is 3 meters, is right there. This is up to here, so this whole section here will be concrete cover. Okay, exactly as the doctor requisitions. And then of course the up curve here. 1 second. Oh wow. 1 second. Oh, up curve here is, right there. Up curve is 300 as well. Okay. So that means when we flip this footing over, it's gonna be 300, and concrete cover is 600. So that's a very, very, very solid footing. Definitely guaranteed to hold. Okay. So, Paco, where about the sebo? So that is our footing. Ruby, how are you? We have the truck coming. This here is coming to take away the maram that is being dug from the pits. So we saw this truck while it was still at the road because we have cameras covering the whole place. But we knew he was coming. We expected it to be here at this time. This is our machine. That's the excavation process. Okay. The driver is doing an excellent job. We've been running the machine the whole day. It doesn't stop. We have 2 drivers on site to ensure that we simply switch out the drivers without actually stopping the work. Okay. This is how work looks. Again, I've taken it all day. Are you okay there? That's the excavation process. You can see it. Oli ku WhatsApp sebo? Nkulabye, eh? Eh? Boss? Oli ku WhatsApp? Okay. I'll give you another update later. This is what is going on right now at the construction site of the Dorchester luxury condos in Ntinda. Give us a call. +1 469 278 1138, and we'll be able to discuss whatever you would like us to do for you. Okay.